Hello and welcome, dear viewers, to the series of My SQL. By now, we have learned categories and elements of SQL commands along with key constraints. In today's video, we would be learning the use of insert, select, and where commands practically in SQL. Insert into command is used to insert rows in a table. I hope you all remember rows word even stands for tuples. टेबल में हम रोज को ही रिकॉर्ड्स और रिकॉर्ड्स को ही टपल बोलते हैं. तो जब हमने न्यू टेबल क्रिएट किया तो उसमें स्ट्रक्चर तो रेडी हो गया, बट there are right now no records or tuples in the table. When I am trying to check the records in the table student1 which we have created in our previous video, you will see it's showing empty set. Why empty? Because we have created the table. We have done the creation, we have written the command along with key constraints like primary key, unique key, not null key, default constraint as well as check constraint. The table student1 में ये सारे constraints भी लगे हुए हैं, but अभी इनमें कोई भी records नहीं है. तो अब इनमें अगर हमें records डालना है, so कौन सा command use करना होगा? We'll have to use command insert into. Carefully see the syntax of the command insert into. The syntax is insert into table name values. यहाँ पे हमको keyword use करना है values, and then again inside open and close parenthesis value 1 comma value 2, and it would keep on going till the number of columns you have. जितने attributes या columns हैं उतनी ही वैल्यूज हमें एंटर करनी है. In this particular syntax, the order of column name should be exactly the same. See this example over here, children. Here the example of student table I am showing you. Insert into student values. Roll number में 1, name में निशा, date of birth में year, then month, then date, marks as well as stream. ये हमारी previous table student में हमने entry की. Insert into student is the table name and values is the keyword. Let us practice the same. So let's do the same in this table. Insert into name of the table student1. Keyword is values, open parenthesis. The first attribute is roll number with integer data type, so 1 separated by comma. Next attribute is registration number, again integer data type separated by comma. Next attribute name is varchar, that means you need to enclose the name in either single inverted commas or double inverted commas. Next is gender, 1 space in varchar, so only M we need to type, and last is marks. I am entering 78 marks, parenthesis close, semicolon. You see it's mentioning 1 row affected query. Okay, that means now when I am going to execute, select asterisk from student, it is not showing me empty set, it is showing me 1 tuple which is created. So insert into command helps us to enter the data in the table. We can insert values in specific column also. In that case, you need to mention the names of the columns. अगर हम किसी कॉलम की वैल्यू छोड़ना चाह रहे हैं या किसी कॉलम में आगे या पीछे वैल्यूज डालना चाह रहे हैं, तो उस केस में आपको कॉलम या एट्रीब्यूट का नाम बताना पड़ेगा. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज चिल्ड्रन insertion of null values, the columns which do not have constraint of नॉट नल, जिसमें नॉट नल नहीं है, उन कॉलम्स में हम चाहें तो नल वैल्यू डाल सकते हैं. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू टाइप इट? फॉर दैट यू नीड टू टाइप देयर NULL instead of the value. It is going to accept it without error. रिमेंबर, नल को अगर आपने कोट्स में डाल के टाइप कर दिया ना तो वो टेक्स्ट बन जाएगा. तो कोट्स में नल को नहीं लिखना है. यहाँ नल का मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम इस कॉलम को ब्लैंक रख रहे हैं और हम अभी इसमें वैल्यू नहीं डालना चाहते हैं. इफ यू विश यू कैन check this. Your name column is not null. That means here you cannot have a null value. Roll number is also primary key, so it cannot have a null value, whereas the others may have it. So let us see this quickly. We'll use the command again. Insert into student values. Now we would be inserting for roll number 2. So let us change this to 2. The registration number also 2. Instead of name Amit, now let's be Amita. And then here I am giving the gender, but I am not giving marks and mentioning here it as null. See, it is accepting it, and when you check the values here instead of marks, null value is reflected. This will accept value later on. आप चाहें तो बाद में यहाँ marks को update कर सकते हैं. So insert into command. I hope you all are clear. अगर हमको specific row में डालना है तो values के बाद हमें यहाँ column के name भी बताने पड़ेंगे, और अगर नहीं तो वो direct डालेगा उसी sequence में जिस sequence में आपके attributes हैं. If you are inserting date, like right now in this table we don't have date, but when we have a date column, it should also be enclosed in quotes. It should be enclosed in quotes. Remember this. Next is select command. This command is used to retrieve a subset of rows or columns from one or more table. The most used DML command is select command. You remember data manipulation commands we have learned. उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा जो यूज़ होता है that is the select command, because it can be used with various combination. The very first is you can either specify the names of the attribute and then select it from the table with this syntax. Next is you can put an asterisk mark, which means you want to see entire attributes given in the given table. Asterisk mark, you have been watching me doing the same since long. Select asterisk from student. This command ma'am is using since long. So what is it showing? It's showing me all the attributes together. But in case if we write here select roll number, I don't want registration number, name, and then marks. Just 3 out of 5 attributes I wish to see. So we need to mention the name from student 1. Now you see the difference. Instead of all attributes, only those attributes are reflected which are mentioned here. Got it? Select command can show you only selected attributes from a given table. Asterisk is used for representing all the attributes. You can even reorder these columns. Reorder means आप चाहें तो इनका ऑर्डर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. जैसे डेट ऑफ बर्थ बाद में था, लेकिन अगर पहले DOB लिख दिया फिर नेम लिखा तो देखो आउटपुट में DOB पहले रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया और नेम बाद में. नेक्स्ट इज योर वेयर क्लॉज. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्लॉज. This is used for picking up a specific column which satisfies the given condition. So let us apply it. Here we'll mention select asterisk from student where asterisk का मतलब वो सारे attributes तो दिखाएगा, but I'm giving here a condition where roll number is equals to 1. Now you see it is showing me all attributes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but roll number 2 is not shown. What is the reason? The reason is we have given here a condition where roll number is equals to 1. So other records would be not reflected after execution of this query. In our upcoming video, we will be learning the various combination with the select command, where you will be using this select command along with distinct, along with column analysis and relational, logical and arithmetic operators. Like you have seen here, one of the operator being used here, roll number is equals to 1. This is one of the operators. So this we would be learning in our upcoming video. Till then, stay connected to us, keep learning, keep well. Thank you.